Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain what is fantasy score on PrizePicks. So basically, on PrizePicks, you will find a variety of games like NFL, NBA, and more. Each of these games has different categories such as points, rebounds, assists, and others. Each of these categories has specific points associated with them. For example, if you're looking at NBA, you will see categories like points, rebounds, and assists. When you select a player, their performance in each category will earn you points based on their stats. If you choose a game and click on the scoring chart, then scroll down, you will find the point breakdown for each category. For instance, 1 point for every actual point scored and 1.2 points for every rebound. That's how the fantasy score works. So hope you understood what fantasy score actually means on PrizePicks. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.